Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I want to say you some warm pictures. Be ready students. Everyone sit in your place. Sit straight. Backbone straight. Everyone close your eyes. Close your eyes ma'am. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, 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 breathe out. Rub your hands, put on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Children, open your classwork. Applications. See? Example 2 ma. There were 54 students in the class of the school. The school had 8 such classes. How many students were there in the entire school? See, there were 54 students in the class of a school. Okay. Each class, how many students are there? 54 students. The school had 8 such classes. School had how many classes? 8 such classes. How many students were there in the entire school? Entire school, how many students are there? That one you should find. Okay. Write in the classwork ma. See. Example 2. There were 54 students in a class of a school. The school had 8 such classes. How many students were there in the entire school? See, first what you have to do? Number of students in one class. Number of students in the one class. How many? 54. Number of classes in the school. How many classes is there in a school? 8 classes. That 8 you should write here. Number of students in the school. Total number of students. Yes. How many? 54 into 8. If you 54 into 8 if you do means what? Which number will come? 432 will come. Yes. 8 4s are 32. 2, 3 carry forward. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 3, 43. What is that answer? 432 is the answer. How many students are there? Therefore, the total number of students in the school is equal to 442. Understood? Copy in the classwork. Copy it properly, ma. See, there were 54 students in a class of a school. Okay. The school had 8 such classes. How many students were there in the entire school? Number of students in a class 1. One class how many? 54. Number of classes in the school. How many classes are there in the school? 8 classes. Yes. number of students in the school. How many? 54 into 8. If you do 54 into 8, what is the answer will come? 432 will come. Yes. Therefore, the total number of students in the class, students in the school. How many? Total number of students in the school, 432. Okay. Copy, write neat handwriting I want. You should write proper and neat handwriting. Understood? After this, open your workbook. Okay, children? Children, open your workbook. Applications. Short answer questions. There are 8 students in a row. One row, how many students are there? 8 students. How many students would be there in 7 such rows? See, this is one row. Okay. How many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students. Okay. This type of 7 rows. How many students are there? Total number of students you should find. Okay. This is one row, 8 students. Like that, 7 such rows. 7 such rows. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 8. One row. How many students? 8 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 4, 5, 6, 8. See, one row, how many students are there? 8 students. How many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 8. Yes. Otherwise 8 into 7. How many will come? Tell me. 56. Understood? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Total how many are there? 56, like that. Understood, children? This is, multiplication is a repeated addition. Already I told you. Yes or no? See, just I said example, understood? But you should write like this. 17th one. Solution. Okay. Number of students in a row. How many? 8. Yes. Number of rows. Number of rows how many? 7. Yes. Total number of students is equal to 8 into 7. What is that answer? 8 sevens are 56. Okay. Now, so there are 56 students in 7 rows. Understood? There are how many students are there in 7 rows? 56 students. Next, 18th one. What is the dance question? A box contains 7 mangoes. Sorry ma. A box contains 9 mangoes. How many mangoes would be there in 8 such boxes? See, one box contains how many mangoes? 9 mangoes. How many mangoes would be there in such 8 boxes? 8 boxes. How many mangoes? 9 into 8. Okay. Number of mangoes in each box. How many? 9. Number of such boxes is equal to 8. Total number of mangoes is equal to 9 into 8. 9 into 8, how many? 72. Yes. So, there are 72 mangoes in 8 boxes. Children, you should learn tables. Understood? If you learn tables, you can do easily multiplication sums. First, you should learn tables. Every day, you should learn half an hour tables. 2 to 20. Understood? 2 to 20 tables you should learn. You are a third class students. Yes, should learn 2 to 20 tables compulsorily. Everyone should read the tables. Daily half an hour you should read the tables. Understood? Copy in the workbook ma. Children, 19th one. Each child carries 9 notebooks. How many notebooks will 45 childs carry? See, 19th one. Number of children. How many number of children? Sima, how many? Each child carries 9 notebooks. How many notebooks will 45 children carry? Yes, 45. Okay. Number of notebooks. Each child carry. How many? 9. Okay. Ones, tens. 45 into 9. 9 fives are 45. 5, 4 carry. 4 nines are 9 fours are how much? 36. 36 plus 4. How much? 36 plus 4, 40. Understood? What is that answer? Total number of, you should write this, total number of notebooks is equal to 45 into 9. What is that answer? 405 is the answer. Therefore, 45 children would carry 405 notebooks. Understood? Copy in the workbook. Children, 20th one. A toffee box has 68 toffees in it. How many toffees would be there in 9 such boxes? See, a toffee box has 68 toffees in it. Okay. One box has 68 toffees. 8 such boxes, 9 such boxes. How many toffees are there? Number of toffees in one box. How many? 68. Number of such boxes, 9. Total number of toffees is equal to 68 into 9. Ones and hundreds. Sixty-eight into 9. Yes. 9 8s are 72. 2, 7 carry forward. 9 6 are. 9 6 are how much? 54. Yes. 54 plus 7. 54 in the mind, take 7 fingers. 54 after. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Yes. 61. What is that answer? 612 is the answer. See, therefore, there would be 612 toffees in 9 boxes. Understood? See, children, higher order thinking skills. 21. Write two multiplication fact for 84. Multiplication fact, already I told you. Multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. Yes, here they given product. You should write the multiplication fact. Okay, 84 they given. 84, in which numbers it will into two numbers, if you into means 84 will come 12 into 7 is equal to 84. Otherwise 7 into 12 is equal to 84. Yes? Yes or no, children? 84. Yes? Otherwise 14 into 6 is equal to 84. 6 into 14 is equal to 84. Understood, children? Two numbers if you multiply means this number should come. Okay. Next, 22nd one. Frame a word problem for the following and solve it. They given answer. What is that? Number of apples in a one carton? 5. Number of cottons? 8. One carton? 5. Number of cottons how many? 8. You should question, you should form, and you should solve it also. Should form the question first. Okay. There are 8 cottons and each carton contain 5 apples. What is the total number of apples? See, this is the question. Now you should write the solution also as number of apples in each box. How many? 5. Yes, each box are contain. Sorry. Contain how many? 5. Number of cotton. Salima. Each cotton. Each cotton how many? 5. Number of cotton is 8. Yes. Total number of apples is equal to 8 into 5. 8 5 is 40. Okay. So, where I will write? I will write up. Okay. Their place is not there. That's why, children, I am writing up. See? Therefore, your place is not here. That's why I am writing here. Therefore, so there are 40 apples in 8 cartons. Understood? Write in the workbook.